What's up, y'all? This is your boy Gregory, the creator, and welcome to my first official YouTube video in depth into my life. You feel me? I'm just at home like always, so don't even get alarmed. Go ahead and feel free, but y'all will be seeing this last because this is all special guest who is going to be featured from this point forward in into my reality to you all guys. So again, this is your boy Gregory the creator, and y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my phone for a second or turn it down because I'm over here watching Love and Hip Hop, and y'all, just going through. First of all, you can go ahead and stream this now on Paramount, and I'm over here really going through memory lane and seeing that Love and Hip Hop used to be the show, especially during my, I guess my 20s and everything. It was something new, fresh, fun, especially with having a all black cast. So again, that made it relatable to the black community as well as to the hip hop community and also with the pop culture. It helped them brand themselves. So y'all, that's beside the point. But I'm just at home, chilling, like I said, watching Love and Hip Hop on my phone, sipping on this barefoot pink Moscato. So yeah, yeah. But normally, y'all, I normally wouldn't even be at home at this point. I'm going to keep it real. But I woke up with my stomach aching, so I wasn't feeling too good, so I called in. But other than that, and for the ones who don't know, feel free to get to know me again. You may know me as Gregory, the creator on social media, or know me as Gregory Smiley in real life. So again, either one, it's my name incorporated into it as far as myself bringing you guys content, something creative, something I can mimic. New episodes just now. It's on my Instagram, which is under Gregory the Creator, and on my TikTok with the same name. I have made already two originals um, content, and and I'm portraying myself acting in all my originals videos. So again, make sure y'all check that out. Make sure before I even move forward or move on, make sure you all like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel under Gregory the Creator. Okay. And and again, on my other social media platforms, the same name, like I said. So again, like, share, comment, tell me what y'all think, regardless if it's positive, negative. Keep the conversation going. So yes, y'all. So let's get straight into it. Let me first of all go ahead and introduce myself to you all, to the ones who may not know me, or to the ones who are open enough to get to know me. Like I said, I'm Gregory, the creator, and it's surprising to most that I was born April 1st. Okay, April 1st, 1991, and no, to the ones, to the Gen Zs, the younger millennials, or to anybody who are on that petty shit. I was not born back in slavery. Okay, so do not even come to me with that slavery funniness. Yeah, cause I'm about to rip it to y'all. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know this now. Okay, so and y'all, that was funny. That was funny. But beside all that positive, positivity, positive, I'm tongue twisted. But besides, on a different note, okay, on a different note, I am an HIV survivor. I got diagnosed March 7th, 2013. And March 7th of this year is a mark of a year. So again, I'm here living. A matter of fact, y'all, let me go ahead and show y'all this. I'm gonna put this down first because I don't want to, you know, influence somebody. Okay, y'all, I found it. So, with the help of this right here, Big Harvey, it has most definitely came in. It saved my life. But of course, before Big Harvey came into the picture, I had Truvada and its centers. It was a two-pill regimen, but the dosage was totally different. So it was, and I mean, luckily enough, let me go ahead and say this now. Um, when I first started on my HIV medications, I had lots of side effects. I mean, like insomnia. Like I seen like incredible insomnia. Like it was I can't even tell y'all, but at that moment in my life, it was like boom. But of course, like I said, I was on two regimens with the name of Truvada and Acentris, and but with with those meds, it helped me become undetectable. The same year in June. So again, I'm finding out and being diagnosed in March, and um, then getting my results within a few months time span. I was undetectable because y'all, I had a great support system. Um, I had God, like I said, I had a great support system. I had God, I had my family, my friends, and most importantly, y'all, I had myself because with all the love and all the support of everybody in my corner, from my caseworkers and everything, I had to ultimately and truly want to do this for myself. So again, y'all, thank you to everybody, but more so, thank you to myself because I'm the one that keep pushing. So yeah, but now as time passed, I'm dealing with depression, mental problems, being angry, being in a dark space, and being all this extra stuff. It was just like everything just played a huge part in my life, and everything just so it was just so demonized. Yeah, it was so demonized, and let's just move on because I'm not even trying to get into all that. But just know now, in 2024, I'm on Truvado, not Truvado. Child, I'm on Victory, and I'm on the track of being undetectable once again. So, y'all, besides having HIV, my life is my life is pretty interesting. It is. My life is pretty cool. It's pretty like a wrap of the social the social media world with a mixture of okay, this is who he is in real life. This is a person you would think you'll see on the internet, but he took the internet persona and brought it into real life and voila. And then so basically what I'm saying that I'm authentic. This is who I am. This is me every single day of the week, 365, 24/7. And I don't miss holidays, honey. But yeah, y'all. But before I move forward with anything, let me just include a sip first of my Barefoot Moscato Pink. Okay. Mm. So, guys, before I even move on with anything else in my life, I want to always say thank you so, so much to my mama and my daddy. I give it to my mama and my daddy because without them, baby, I wouldn't be the person who I am today. I wouldn't be where I'm at today. And yeah, everything's wild. And without them, I probably, wouldn't even be living in Phoenix. I probably would be somewhere depressed, miserable, alone. But with them, with their encouragement and their push, and 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 they saw all the potential in me to be good, be great, be outstanding, and just make a change for myself. And so I just want me. So I just want them to. Yeah, I got it. I just want them to really understand that I love them, and I want to thank you. And more so, I want to also say thank you to my brother and my sisters because baby, you y'all four are the real motherfuckers in my corner. So yeah, thank y'all so very much, and I love y'all. But let's go back into reality. Okay, so I just got hit off this dating site, and let's go ahead and kick this off real good, real nice, real strong. I just got hit up off of a dating site, y'all, and y'all just know if y'all come back for more, I will let y'all know all the deets, honey. So trust and believe. And like always, this is your boy Gregory, the creator. Follow my social media platforms across the board: Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok under Gregory, the creator. And y'all, like, share, and subscribe. Mwah. And I'll see y'all next time with the D's of Hook Up on a Different Site.